Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been away for a very long time apart from the videos that I made about traveling to Abuja. But today I'm back with my regular videos. I've been down with malaria and equally I have cough and catarrh. Before you I have bitter cola. This is a very nice item to use for my natural remedy. Then I equally have tom-tom. But before I proceed, I want to ask you guys, is this your first time of visiting my channel to watch my video? If this is your first time of visiting my channel to watch my video, I'll say welcome to my channel and thank you for watching my video. But if this is not your first time of visiting my channel to watch my video, I will say, have you kindly considered subscribing to my channel? If you've not done so, please kindly hit the red subscribe button on the right hand side below the video. Equally, click on the notification bell for you to have educative updates whenever I post new videos and for you to equally be amongst the first set of people to be notified whenever I post videos. Should you enjoy this video at the end of the watch, kindly give it a thumbs up and likewise consider sharing it with your friends and wonderful families for them to have the knowledge and the benefits of using bitter cola and tom-tom to cure cough and catarrh. Let's get right into the preparation of the video and the natural remedy. I'm going to peel the bitter cola. Oh no, this one is not good, so be careful what you eat. Sometimes it's advisable to eat it with the shells, but as you can see, this one is not good. This one is bad, so I'm not going to take this. I shift it off. Try another one. I'm using my finger to peel the bitter cola. I don't want to use a knife. Since this is a natural remedy, I just want to be natural myself. I'll make sure I peel two. This is one. The next one. I have the second one peeled. I should have continued with this but it will be as if I'm wasting the items that I will use to cure or that I will use for more people. So I'm just going to use this myself since I'm the one that is going to take this right now. Then this is a tom-tom. I'll make sure I peel the tom-tom carefully. I'll remove it from the pack. This is what I have at the tom-tom. I will equally use two of the tom-tom. So I'm taking this off. Second one. This is second tom-tom. I have some other ones here, but I'm not going to use this, but I'm just going to make use of the two. Shift these two aside. That's two bitter cola, two Tom Tom. You've seen that I've peeled the bitter colas and I've equally removed the Tom Tom from the pack. I'm going to take these items, I'm going to take them to cure the cough and catarrh that I have. I'm going to take these four items, these two Tom Tom, two bitter cola. I'm still chewing it. As I chew the two together, that's the bitter cola and Tom Tom. I can equally take one each, one Tom Tom, one bitter cola, but I want the effect to be much. What did you notice? You could notice that I didn't lick the Tom Tom, I chewed it. I chewed it alongside with bitter cola. I think I'm done with it. There's no one again in my mouth. The particles are no more in my mouth. Oh, I'm already feeling the effect down my system. And very soon, I'll be coughing out all the mucus of the cough. Oh, I can feel it. The mint is working in my system already. Even bitter cola alone is good for cough. While the Tom Tom, which has mint, is good for catarrh and cough. So the combination of bitter cola and Tom Tom works very well and it's very wonderful. I'm already feeling the mint inside, just from my chest and lungs area. So I'm done with it. I haven't tuned these two items together. I know within some minutes I'll be coughing out the mucus, that's a cough and a catarrh, and I'll be free from them. Haven't followed me to this point? and haven't watched what I've done, haven't seen me tune the tom and bitter cola, I know you like it, and I know you'll give it a try. But before I let you go, I'll ask again. I haven't gotten to this point. Have you finally considered subscribing to my channel? If you've not done so, please kindly hit the red subscribe button on the right hand side below the video. Equally, click on the notification bell for you to have educative updates whenever I post new videos, and for you to equally be among the first set of people to be notified whenever I post videos. Should you enjoy this video, which I know you do, give it a thumbs up, and likewise consider sharing it with your friends and wonderful families, because I know everybody, once in a while have cough or catarrh, and no one is exempted from that. So share it with your friends and wonderful families for them to have the benefits of chewing the mixture of tom and bitter cola. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for also considering other of my videos, other of my educative videos. Thank you.